What is functional programming? How do you prove that Java is functional programming? So before Java 8, so we'll call Java as a object oriented programming language. From Java 8 onwards, we are calling Java also functional programming. Okay. So functional programming means what? It is new style of coding. By using this feature, we can pass function implementation. We can pass functional implementation logic as argument. So before Java 8, we'll pass the argument as either any value or reference object. Okay, before Java 8. But from before Java 8, we'll pass any value or any reference object, any array object, any list object will pass as argument. From Java 8 onwards, we can pass directly functional implementation logic. Okay, so in Java, we can achieve functional programming, the combination of interface and lambda expression. So here, how do you prove that Java is functional programming? For suppose we have list of employees. So the filter, basically the filter takes filter to filter, it takes the predicate. Filter to filter, we need to pass predicate lambda expression implementation code. Predicate is having it is apply method, right? Otherwise test, yeah, it is having test method. So here we are passing, it is a actually function implementation logic. It is functional implementation logic directly we are passing to the method. To the filter method directly we are passing functional implementation method. So now let's check the coding. So how to prove that Java is functional programming? So let me go here. So I created a list of employees. Okay. So if you go to predict, there is a predict is a predefined functional interface. We got it in what? Java 8 feature. It has test method, not apply method. It has test method. It takes the input. So we need to actually, we need to pass the input. We need to process logic. Finally, we need to return either true or false. So here our requirement is we need to find, we have 10 employees here. We have 10 employees. So we need to write the employees who is having more than 10,000. So we need to filter here who is having more than 20,000. Let's say we need to get the employees who is having more than 20,000 salary, who is having. So we need to filter from this EMP list. So then what we need to do, we can write stream API. So then EMP list dot stream of filter. The filter will take the predicate. So predicate having actually test method. So test method, what it takes? It takes the any input. It takes the any input. So now I am taking input as a EMP. I am taking input. So employee object I want to pass to predicate, and I want to say if EMP dot, so EMP dot get. Okay, so EMP dot get of so first we need to write predicate, right? Yeah, predicate of employee type. Predicate of employee type. So employee. So here what? Salary predict. I'm changing this name, salary predict equal to So here it takes the one parameter. So EMP is a parameter. So when it is taking EMP parameter and I am checking that EMP dot get EMP salary, so greater than or equal to 20,000. So this is a function implementation or not. So here for test method we provided function implementation. So here to filter directly we can pass salary predict. Otherwise directly this function implementation we can pass as argument. It's called functional programming. It's called functional programming. Okay. So then here collect dot collectors to list. Otherwise you can directly can print for each. So otherwise directly you can print for each. So to for each also, so to for each also we can print. Otherwise we can actually we can print the we can by collecting the EMP list, right? We can print. Okay. So here I am taking in for each. Actually for each will take what for each method. For each method will take the consumer, right? So here consumer it consumes and it prints, right? So here system I'm printing just sys out. So here I am taking EMP. So whatever value I am coming, no, that one I am taking and I am printing directly. System dot out dot print ln. So directly I am printing that EMP. So what is the issue here? Change to print method. Okay. So this is the thing basically. So we can say we can pass directly function implementation as argument. That's why Java is functional program. Now if I print, right, we'll get who is having. So in employee class I did not override toString method. So go to source, generate toString, generate, go back and execute here. Now we will get who is having more than 20,000. All the employees will get. Okay. So this is the requirement we done. See all the employees who is having more than 20,000. So that is about how what is Java functional, what is Java, I mean what is functional programming, how to prove that Java supports functional programming. So functional programming means we can pass function implementation as argument. Okay. Thanks everyone. If you're watching first time, please subscribe and share. Thank you very much.